Hey everyone, welcome back to our Oslo adventure. If you're just tuning in, make sure to check out vlog 1 first, where we explored some of the city's best spots. But if you've already seen it, let's continue. We are now at the Oslo National Museum, and today we are diving into the world of art, history, and culture. This museum is home to some of the Norway's most famous artworks, and we are excited to explore the incredible exhibits here. This is the Nobel Peace Center, where the Nobel Prize for Peace would be given. So let's go in. All other Nobel Prizes will be given in Sweden, Stockholm. This inspiring museum is dedicated to honoring the Nobel Peace Prize and the visionaries who have worked tirelessly for peace and justice around the world. At the heart of the Nobel Peace Center is the legacy of Alfred Nobel, the Swedish inventor, entrepreneur, and philanthropist. In 1895, he established the Nobel Prizes. In 2014, Malala Yousafzai and Kailash Satyarthi shared the Peace Prize for fearless advocacy for girls' education and fight against child labor, respectively. The Nobel Peace Center beautifully showcases these remarkable stories, giving us a hope and motivation to contribute to positive change in our communities. And look here, we have found the famous Nobel Prize medal on display. We made our way to Akerbrygg, one of the city's most vibrant and picturesque spots. This lively waterfront area is known for its stunning views of the Oslo fjord, a bustling atmosphere, and a perfect blend of modern architecture and historic charm. While exploring Akerbrygg Mall, we had a fun surprise. Guess who we spotted? Santa Claus himself, busy in his workshop, surrounded by twinkling lights and festive decorations, working hard on gifts for all the good boys and girls. It was such a magical moment, and you could feel the holiday spirit everywhere. Then we enjoyed a cozy packed meal with some of our favorite dishes like the pulao, the tamarind rice, and chana masala. Then we spotted Nissen's Bitter Market. It's a kind of swap market where people come together to trade or give away things they don't need anymore. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to find new things like clothes, books, or even toys without spending money. Everything is exchanged or given away, so it's all about sharing and recycling. As we walked around Akerbrygge, we were drawn to the Oslo harbor. The harbor is central to the city's waterfront life, and in December it's especially beautiful. The cold air and quiet water make it feel peaceful and calm. From the harbor, you get amazing views of the Oslo fjord with boats and ferries passing by. The buildings along the water look even more beautiful with a snowy backdrop. strolled through Oslo's city centre, we passed by the impressive National Theatre. Walking along the streets, we couldn't help but admire its beautiful architecture. Oslo is well connected by both trams and metro, making it super easy to get around the city. The metro is perfect for traveling longer distances, taking you quickly across different parts of Oslo, while the trams offer a charming way to explore the city at a slower pace. Then we headed to the Natural History Museum. This museum has amazing exhibits about nature, science, and history. You can see giant dinosaur fossils, beautiful rocks and minerals, and plants from all over the world. Next, we visited the stunning Oslo Opera House. It was December, so the city was dark, but the Opera House looked even more beautiful against the night sky. We even walked up to the roof where you can enjoy the lights of the city and the cold winter air. After a wonderful day in Oslo, we headed back to the Oslo bus terminal. We enjoyed our packed dinner, relaxing before our journey back. Then it was time to catch our Flixbus and we began our trip back to Gothenburg. It was a great trip filled with memories of Oslo, and soon we were back in Gothenburg. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.